Hi guys, my name's Bro here, and today I'm bringing you guys another video. And today we're in this little sketchy house at my grandma's Panorama 62 place, I believe. There's a bunch of townhouses, and there's some getting built, and we're in this little sketchy house. I don't know what is this, like a play place or something for kids. I don't know what the hell this is.
I have an idea.
Oh, this guy has sticky notes. No. Don't waste them. Right. Don't. We're going to use them on something else. And, okay, so, guys, before we were recording, but the battery died, so we got my iPod charged again. So, sorry about that, but let's go back. There's this, I think there's someone in that thing. So, we're going to go back.
Tell them how to get in the Bobcat. Ask them.
If you guys know how to get in that Bobcat, we've been trying years now. That Bobcat right there.
Yeah, years, Manny. Yeah.
So annoying. We couldn't get in.
We've been trying years.
Okay, now
not
that
one
stall
day.
I think has someone in it. But my friend Gaurav is gonna open it.
Why am I gonna do that?
Open it and then run for it.
Okay.
I saw an air horn there. Gaurav, get it back here. Okay, so it appears that no one's in it. So Gaurav, there's an air horn there.
There's no one in there?
No, there's an air horn.
How? In here?
In there, over there.
Where?
There's no one in there.
Someone come down.
There's an air horn right there.
I'm not getting that.
Yo, just get it. Go around and get it. We're about to go air horn style. Dude. He got it. Does it work? That thing was so loud.
So loud.
I know.
I've never heard someone do that.
I've never heard anyone do anything like that. Dude, it's loud as a semi-truck horn. Dude,
I picked it up. You did nothing.
should we go get it? I want to go do it more.
I tried it with that blue thing.
Should we go back and get it? Let's go back. Be quiet. Dude, that was so sketchy. That thing was so loud.
Wait, where's that security guard from?
I don't know.
What is that? Air horn. Yo,
I see the air horn. It's right there. Underneath the tires.
Do you even edit your vlogs?
No.
Wow.
Straight up savage.
That's why no one watches your vlogs, Manny. Don't piss me off.
Dude, my mom's there. Oh, dude.
No.
Dude. We're probably gonna go in one of those houses straight up second.
Okay.
My brother.
Man, you leave now? Guys, please subscribe.
Oh man.
I have to go home and put a bang show. And subscribe for the whole. Yo, when are we gonna jump the fence here?
I don't know. I like the air horn thing though.
Yeah. Please. I straight up picked it up. This channel. So, and now I'm leaving. And peace. You know what I was scared of? Someone popping out. Is it coming out with a chocolate and saying, do it again?
Bye, Mom!
Come on, left. Are you still making the video? You said come.
Yes. Riding. I have to ride all the way to my mom because
Yo, that stuff came out outside. You're the outside of the air horn. You gotta twist it to tighten it. The
okay,
stuff
dude,
comes
guys.
out.
Oh, there's security guards right there. Not even security guards. I don't know who the heck they are.
It was nuts. What did you do?
I know, we never did anything.
I know we didn't do anything. I don't know anything.
We never did anything.
Yo, did your mom watch your vlog?
No, I saw her though. No, she didn't really care. Oh my god. Okay, hold it. Hold it. Go over there.
Why do I go over there? Manny! It's hard to see the sun's in the way. The sun's in the way, yo.
My mom just told me to just stay calm, no air horn. I'm just kidding. Let's go get the air horn.
I'm gonna record you, yo.
Okay, don't drop it.
Yo, it's like
Don't drop it.
the light's so messed up.
I know it is. Once you watch it on YouTube, it doesn't why.
I know how to lower the light.
Get it.
Okay, I got it better. You're so loud. Did you hear the horn?
Did you hear it?
The horn over there?
Yeah.
Yo, it's how loud is that? Yo, we were all the way at the end and you heard it here. Yo, I pressed it. I picked it. It was in front of the bathroom where someone is in the bathroom. The straw thing. I had to run in front to grab it. And there's a fence there, so I had to go around there. Grab it. I had to go around
I
back.
keeping the air horn.
Yo, I know who got it.
Okay, fine.
Who are you recording?
Oh, we're posting.
YouTube vlog. His channel.
I'll go get the air horn. What if there's a security guard right here? I'm gonna be like, I don't know what happened.
I'm just recording you. I'm not even recording myself, Nanraj.
Okay, here, guys. Dude, air horn's right there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm gonna try to use it. It's right there. Go get it. Huh? What?
It must be in the vlog.
Okay. Rayhan, come on. Yo, whatever your name is. We're gonna ask this kid if he wants to be in the vlog. You wanna be in the vlog?
If you don't watch, you will blur your face. I can't because I can't go over there.
Wait, do you live here?
Why can't you go over there?
My grandma lives here.
No allowed. I live down there.
Okay, fine. He can't go all the way to the end, so we're gonna do this. Make sure to keep your ears open for the air horn again. We're gonna go.
This time you're pressing. I'm recording.
as far as I can. How far can you come?
Is that up to here? You can see it from this corner right here.
I know. There's an air horn there. Go around, take your bike.
Okay. Should I record?
No, I got it.
Where?
It's down there. See it? In the driveway? That's where we dropped it once we pressed it.
Where is
We're gonna. It's right there.
Where is it? Like in front of the car?
No, behind the car. Actually, not even behind. It's right there. Can't you see it? There. That side.
On this side?
Can you see it?
Oh, that? Do it.
Here, press it. Okay, that thing.
Yo, that was
security down there? I'm out. Here we go. Yo, Gora, press it. Is there anyone down there?
Come here.
Dude, there's a little house you can get in over there. You already got in. Yo, press it. Press it.
Are you okay? Are you okay?
Are you okay? Dude, get it so loud. Keep on holding on to it.
Yo, we hear it again.
Yo, I might keep that air horn.
It was a good air horn.
It is. Piss my neighbors off. Yo, should we do a ding dong ditch?
With the air horn?
Oh, yeah.
Once they come out.
No, we're gonna hide. Once they come out, we're gonna press that thing. It's gonna be so funny.
Yo, you
Should we? Yeah, I'm still vlogging. Other way.
Yeah, I got it.
That thing is sketchy. Let's go back.
Okay, so this is like basically, we're basically being a savage, but oh my gosh, where did those two go? Wait, here? I gotta go check on them. Manraj.
Yo, come here. Did you hear that loud air horn?
We did that.
Yeah.
Hey, रुकिए मम्मा. Yo, my mom's calling me here.
Okay, guys, I'm back. There's the air horn. That's Kabir. Right there. Ready? Security guard. Security guard. Dude, security guard. Security guard. Security guard. Security guard. Dude, that's so stupid. I ain't doing that. Your dad's here.
I'm gonna do it. Let's go, I'm gonna do it.
Oh, dude. The vlog's going on. I think Gaurav has to leave now. Yeah, Gaurav has to leave. Kabir's here. We're gonna get the air horn. Dude. We're gonna end the vlog soon. Dude, I never thought there would be air horn. Dude, come here. Come here. Don't yo. Wait up. Oh no. Dude, come here. Come here. Dude. What? Okay, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog here. Hope you guys know. Hope you guys subscribe to it. And yeah. Make sure to check my other friend's Dilly's channel, Dilraj Rai. And thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe for more.